folks, TGIF, welcome to the rate update with Dan Frio. I, of course, am Dan Frio, and this is your opening bell. What's going on in real estate and mortgage rates? So let's get over to it. What's the news for today? Well, there's really no news out, but there is talks with Russia and Ukraine about possibly some settlements there. So that's a bright spot on the market. And then there was a bond auction late last night that took place, and that went pretty good. So here's the headline news. If you want to check out all the news in my newsletter, please make sure to go to all my social media, check it out, subscribe, and you'll get this every day in a newsletter at the end of each week, capturing the week. So this is the newsletter. You can go through it, and here's a whole bunch of information there for you. All you need to do is once you do find it, you can subscribe here or go to, like I said, my social media platforms. So let's get on to why you're here. Mortgage rates. Okay, so this is what's going on with mortgage rates. This is how we opened, basically how we closed last night, because there was really no news overnight that made any adjustments. So let's go through here real quick and see the trends. We just hit a 3-year high on mortgage rates. So we go across here, you can see down at the bottom here, basically everything just hit a high for a 52-week, and some of them hit a 3-year high. So let's go across. The 30-year fixed rate right now is coming in at 4.28. Another disclosure here. These are not my rates, guys. These are rates, the national average. So there's sometimes rates are higher than this. Sometimes rates are lower than this. How do you guys find out what you qualify for or what your rate would be? You reach out to the Frio team. Okay, and at the end of the video, I'm going to show you guys how to do that. So let's get on to it. The 30-year fixed rate is 4.28. It is up 0.4. Okay, make sure you check at the bottom here. How many points or how much is it going to cost you to get that rate? So I won't go across the points, but check out here. Here's what I meant right here. One last thing on the 5-year ARM. Remember yesterday I said, man, they keep playing havoc with me. Yesterday this was a point. Now it's 0.5. So it's only going to cost you 0.5 or a half a point to get this 5-year ARM today. But let's retro back here. I know this is my third time saying it, but I'll say it again. The 30-year fix is coming in at 4.28, up 4 basis points. All right, not a huge move, but we just hit a 3-year high. The 15-year fixed rate is coming in at 3.53, also with points, up 3 basis points. Also hitting a 52-week high and a 3-year high. FHA/VA is 3.75. No change there and no points. The 30-year jumbo is coming in at 3.75, up 3 basis points. And that is no points and a 52-week high and a 3-year high. The 5-year ARM was no changed. But what they did change is change it from a full point to 1 point. Now let's scroll down and see the trends. This is basically giving us where we were mortgage rates over the last 15 years. So you can see it's all over the board, but we're still lower. We're about in the middle of everything right now. All right, so the trends here, we just saw it move. I think it just moved from slightly negative to minimally negative. So there's really no news coming out today, and I'm going to show you that here in a second. So there's really nothing other than Russia and maybe something with the Fed or something pops in inflation that should really move the markets today. So we go to the MBS markets. Let's recast this to make sure we are current. We were down 8, now we're down 6. So that's a nice trend. This gives us the trend for a 1 month. Let's go back to 6 months. Let's see what the 6-month trend is. You can see here. Okay, let me explain this to you. As this chart goes down, what does that mean for those out there that really don't follow this market and haven't followed me long? Well, this is what's going on with the MBS market. It is a bond that trades on Wall Street. As that bond trades, if the price, and that's what we follow, if the price goes down, rates go up. Okay, so if this trend is down, that means the rates are gradually increasing. We love when this number is up because that means rates are coming down. Okay, so let's get to this trend. You can see the trend is down, 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 down. We had a nice little spike here, okay? And that's when a lot of people took advantage of refinancing, okay? And then rates started coming back up from there. Bloomberg economic calendar for today is nothing. So fortunately for you guys, that's the end of the video. So if you'd like to find out how you can qualify for a loan to get pre-approved to buy a house, to build a house, we have a one-time close if you're looking to build a house. We have long-time locks or long extended locks. If you're looking to, or if you're in the process of building, you need a 6-month lock, we got it for you. We have non-QM programs, bank statement programs, I-10 programs, DSCR programs, we got it all. So to find out more about what we can offer you, check us out. Give us a call at 844-775-5626. Schedule a meeting or click the Apply Now button and you're on your way. God bless, guys. Have a great afternoon. I'll see you later today.